Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journaling, productivity and all that sort of fun stuff. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up my July 2021 bullet journal spreads. And this month I decided to go with a coffee theme. July is actually my birthday month, so I wanted to do something that I love and thought, what better than coffee? I did do a similar theme to this last year. I believe it was June last year where I did a tea theme. So I really liked the way that turned out. So I wanted to sort of recreate it but not do the same thing again. So I figured I'd change it up and go with coffee. First up, I created my cover page. Now I have sort of changed the layout of my monthly setups. And I've moved the cover page over onto the left side and then I put the finance page on the right. This was because I wasn't really using enough spreads throughout the whole month to keep the cover page on the right side, and also I never really do any sort of decoration to my finance spreads because it's purely functional. So I figured it would be good to have it opposite the cover page, which is basically just decorative. I also didn't really feel like doing a quote spread for this month. I feel like a lot of the coffee quotes are pretty much overdone and quite repetitive, so I decided just to skip it for this month. Moving on to the monthly spread, I kept it fairly simple. I just did a grid outline for each day of the month and then did some coffee themed doodles down the left side, and that's about it. I also forgot to bring in my really long ruler to set up this spread, and I was too lazy to go and get it, so I was using that tiny ruler, but really it ended up taking more time to keep doing all those long lines, so I should have just went and got the big one, but you know, I got through it. as I was getting to the end of the dates for the month, I realized I accidentally did an extra box. I don't know why or where that came from, I just must have miscounted. So I decided just to color it in. And the last spread for my July setup is the first week of July. And again, I kept it pretty simple. I just did a typical 4-quadrant spread and added a coffee cup, a takeout coffee cup doodle in the top left corner with a mini calendar, and that's about it. Also, one of my favorite things about the Scribbles That Matter journals is that they have these little markers like right in the middle and on the middle of the top, the bottom, and the left and right sides. So I didn't even have to like count out the dots or anything like that. I could just use those as references to draw out these boxes, and that made my life so much easier. And here is the flip through of the final spreads for my July 2021 bullet journal plan with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you!